You know, one of the great things about this show is you get to meet so many different kinds of exhibitors, and I'm at one of them, Ankle Mark. And I'm with Glenn D'Souza.
Yeah, hi Rahul.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. How are things going?
Things are going fantastically well. Yes.
Excellent.
Everything's going well.
So talk to me a little bit about Ankle Mark. What is it that you make, you manufacture?
We are basically in the manufacture of pharmaceutical machines.
Yeah.
So we are having the complete range of machines, right from encapsulation, liquid filling, dry syrup, granulation, coating, and all batch sizes varying from anything in R&D to even the production scale.
Right.
We've been in this industry for over 4 decades, and we are not only supplying to India, we are exporting to over 45 countries worldwide.
That's pretty large, yes.
Yes. We've been exporting to almost 45 countries, yes.
So you're a family-run business? Is that what it is?
We are a family-run business. I'm the second generation.
So your dad
my father is Mr. Gregory D'Souza. He started it
right
way back in 1980.
Wow, okay.
Yes. So now I'm second generation.
Right.
Yes. This is an industry which saves lives.
Right. Yes.
And
well
if we can contribute as much as possible to that, then we are more than happy to be part of it. We get to meet fantastic people in this industry.
Right.
It is an amazing journey, and it's an industry which will never fall. It's a growth industry.
And India is moving up the value chain as well.
And I don't like to. It's not a good thing to say, but people will continue to get sick. So. In that sense, we
need to find ways to get better quicker.
Get better, yes. I think that's a better way to put it. Right. A way to get better quicker. Yes.
So, you manufacture your own machine. Do you design and manufacture?
Yes.
Okay.
We design the machines ourselves. We have our own in-house team.
Yeah.
We are heavily invested into R&D also. We do a lot of development.
Right.
And we design, we manufacture. We do the servicing after sales also.
Okay.
And like I said, we've been doing this for over 4 decades now. Yeah.
So who are some of your big partners in India? Customers and partners?
See, we are I think supplying to almost all the major companies. You name it, like Abbott. You talk about Glaxo, Glenmark, Emcure, Strides, Natco.
So the blue chip pharma companies.
Most of the blue chip companies, yes, we are part of it. Not only here, but even globally.
Right.
Because, like I said, we've been in the industry for so long.
Yeah.
We have set up that brand image in the market.
Right.
And I'd also like to add that more than 60 to 70% of our customers are repeat customers, because we always kept that vision of quality and service in mind.
Right.
That's how we work. Yeah.
And there's the old adage in marketing, I remember from the good old days. It's cheaper to keep a customer than to acquire a new one.
Yes, of course. That's our focus. Our focus is, it's not the first order, it's your second order that gives you that.
Correct.
And we are always focused on relationships.
Yeah.
We are not looking towards, 1 or 2. We want to be there in the long term. We want to join hands with the customer. We want to support the industry as much as possible to solve their problems.
So as I was saying earlier, they're not your customers, they're your partners.
They are partners, yes.
Because I guess they come to you and saying, listen, Glenn, I'm having this problem. We're not able to figure it out.
Right.
Can you do it for us? And then you work together with them.
And we are very centric on that point.
Yeah.
We want to solve that problem as much as possible.
Right.
Our focus is to help them increase their revenues. That's the whole point.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. So you said you have a global presence, but are there certain areas regionally where you're stronger than others?
Not particularly, but if you look at the industry today, I see that there is a big trend towards the emerging markets.
Right.
I see a lot of growth in areas like Africa, in Bangladesh, down south, even Australia, New Zealand, and India, of course, is the biggest, probably the most buzzing thing right now.
Yeah.
But we see a lot of growth towards the emerging economies as compared to more of those developed places. So our focus is more there.
Right.
But having said that, because we have established ourselves in over 45 countries, we continue to serve all of them.
Right.
Yeah.
Do you find that the regulatory regimes, whether in India or the US, EU and other parts of the world, are making things tougher for you guys, or is it a consequence of what the industry needs?
See, honestly, I would not look at it as a way of someone making it tougher for us. I would look at it as a learning experience.
Right.
Whether it is the EU or the US FDA or any other regulatory body.
Yeah.
when they bring about a change, they teach us something new.
Right.
It's something we need to adapt to. And
Right.
if we don't change as per the norms of the industry, because they are out there, they know what is necessary. At the end of the day, you are going to be consuming this drug.
Right.
So they have some norms, we have to respect those norms. Yes, things will definitely get tougher, but that's what we need to do. We cannot say that, okay, we are not going to be part of this norm, because we have to work with them.
Yeah.
We have to understand their needs. And I can positively tell you, their changes are very positive, very logical, and it's something that we always work towards adapting in our
Well, I guess
machines.
that's what leads to the innovation, right? Because
Exactly. That
sometimes
pushes
the
us.
regulations
See, we
force
always
you to do
believe, we have our own R&D department, but we
Yeah.
always believe our R&D is the customer.
Yes.
Our R&D is the regulatory bodies, because they are the ones who always teach us, something
Right.
which we need to do, which we have never thought about.
Right.
Because
Right.
being from the engineering, it's the user or the person, or a regulatory body which teaches you what you need to do in your machine to develop it for the market.
But it must be frustrating at times when you look at these regulations and you think, my God, how are you going to figure this one out?
Well, with the frustration also comes the opportunity.
Well put. Yes,
So
absolutely. Yeah.
initially, yes, it's definitely something where we need to rack the brain that, okay, how is this something new which is suddenly coming? Because the customer tells us, okay, this is what we need. But when we go through the system, we come to know, there's a lot to learn.
Right. Right.
And, that's what we want to do.
So talking about opportunities that you just mentioned, you're here at the show in Hyderabad. What are the opportunities you're looking for over here?
Well, as manufacturers, because we have been participating in exhibitions all year, and Hyderabad is a hub, for manufacturing, for innovation, for so
Yeah.
many other things. The opportunity we are definitely looking at, we want to meet our customers.
Yeah.
We want to meet existing as well as new ones. And I think this exhibition has done a fantastic job as that. What we notice is that we are getting good customers,
Yeah.
good people who are entering the show, who are serious about
Right.
the purchase, who are serious about the machine.
Right.
And the discussion is very fruitful. So it gives us that opportunity, and that is what we are looking for.
Right.
We want to meet new customers. We want to, continue the relation with our existing ones as well. And I think this is a fantastic place
And
to do
continue
it.
the relationships with us as well. So come back next year and
That is
hopefully bigger
for
and better,
sure.
right?
Yes, we are always going to be here. We are here to stay, and
Yeah.
we'll definitely be back next year.
Right. Thank you so much. I
Thank
wish you
you.
all the
Thank you,
very
Rahul.
best.
Thank you so much.
I know we still have a day plus to go for the show.
Yes.
But I wish you guys all the very best.
Thank you very much.
And long may it continue.
Thank you.
Glenn.
Thank you so much. Thank you.